Alright, and this is A-Onesys trend trading with bank lines. So we're gonna discuss today December 5th trading room trading with bank lines, and you should read this trading disclaimer before you investing any money. We are not suggesting any investment here, and let's go to December 5th chart. There you go. This is the December 5th chart here. Now if we look in here, this big white and magenta, they both together, and the other big bank lines are down here, and this is rolling bank line. And let's see where the other dotted big bank lines are. Now down here. Now the market can do two things. Let's see, talk about that. It's between these big bank lines and this big bank line, and there are a couple of small bank lines between that. Market can run between these, or if it's a cross up, then this white bank line, then it can go to next small bank lines, or it can come down than these bank lines and hit right this one. So now let's see then. Now here is, let me put it a little bit bigger here and then squeeze it. Here is momentum is not that much, 720 right now, okay, but it's declined 1 and 2 times from this small bank line, the red one, and I see that the more big bank lines are down here, so chances are to hit this big bank line, or if it's across that, then will go up. Okay, now let's see what's happening. Here is, if you see, the bullish candles are more powerful than the bearish candles. Now here I took that trade and show you, because it looks more powerful to upside. It's rejected. This is decline here, this is decline here, this is decline here, this candle, and this candle decline here. So I took that trade. If you see on here, I took that trade because so many declines with bullish candles. So I took that trade, and it start going up, and it's hit almost this small bank line and all these bottoms here, and the other target was up there at 65, right? But what happened, my first target at 89, almost there, okay, when it's going to 80, it's 88. When it's moving there, my stop loss following the first stop loss, so I hit my stop loss here and market came down, and my second stop loss automatically moved. After 15 ticks they moved both. The second stop loss moved to 65, break even, and I hit that at 65. So I'm out of the market. I just made only 16-17 ticks here, not even hit the first target, but my stop loss was going behind it, so that's hit it. Now it's building momentum while it's dropping. Okay, so now see is big decline here and big decline here. Now guess what? Here I took the second trade, because this is big decline and then again gone up, and it's gone up and big decline right there. So I took this trade right here at when this candle closed. I took that trade one tick up 60, because I know it's gonna be touch almost this small bank line. Now it looks like that it's declined by this white line right here, and then right here, and then right here. But because of the big bank lines down here, that's why it's made this retracement. As I was saying, it's gonna run between these, then maybe gonna cross either one, either or the bottom ones or on the top ones. Okay, now my target is first at 40, 88, 40, and the second is at 87, 60, 100 ticks. One is 20 ticks, second is 100 ticks. So that is 87, 60 right here. Alright, let's see now why I'm taking these trade, because this is now rejected again from these bank lines, okay, and it came under these two bank line. This is rolling bank line, this is small bank line. It was rejected by the red. Now I have a more confirmation that is rejected little bit a red line as well. Okay, so and then it's a hit back, and one more time it's declined by this bank line and rejected by red, and to down, it's closed down. You see there. Now I have a more confidence. Okay, it's a little bit running between that. Here we go, big decline. All these three big bank lines, big decline. I hit my first target here. I hit my first target here. There you go. If there's a big decline, hit these lines and came down, and big decline by all these, rejected all these three big blue, green and blue. Okay, it's a little bit holded by magenta, but it's finally came down. Let me show you bigger here. You see this, it's rejected here, and so hit my first target, and then big rejection of the magenta as well. Now we have to see there is no bank line between this green and this magenta, right? And then, as I was talking last videos, that the magentas has a relationship, I mean all the big bank lines, as I was telling even earlier, that if it's gone down from these big bank lines, there's going to be a big drop to the other big bank lines. If it's gone up, that means it's up then all big bank lines, then it will be a big move to up. But now we see it's rejected from the top, declined from the top, and it's rejected all these big bank lines and came down. So there's no big bank line up to here, right? Now we're gonna see where it's going. It's gonna touch again that's called retracement. That's why it's made retracement. So we are looking in the other trading videos or other trainers that they saying this is the retracement. Why it's made? It's because of this bank line. It came down, it's gone back to touch it again to see if that market can cross up, but it's declined, cannot cross up. Gone one more time to all try to all cross these big bank lines. Bigger one more time. Now, as you know, my stop loss at now break even at 60. So I got scared. It's gone to 58. There you go, coming back. So I was waiting. There you go, big decline. Now this is because these two candles were quick down. That means it has to take one more time to touch this and the rolling big bank line. I was just 2 ticks above at 60. My stop loss was at 60, and it's declined again, and I was happy. There you go, one more time, scared me. Gone one more time, declined. One more time, big decline here. Even just in 5 minutes between magenta and this green, I was the happiest person. And it's hit my target at 60. So what I did, I got 15 ticks here, 20 ticks here, and 100 ticks here. but you should know why I'm getting it. I'm trading the bank lines. When the bank lines decline the market or market reject the bank lines, right here is hit my target by 10:45, 10:50. There you go, one more time. Exactly touch the magenta, the big bank line, as we were talking. The bank lines has a relationship. The market runs from another big bank line to another bank line. Excuse me. Now it's maybe turning back. Let's see. But no more trade from my side. I made my money. I made my day. Done. There you go. This is big decline from magenta. One more time, try to coming down, and big decline again, and even rejected that green line by the market. Okay, aggressive trader can enter it here now. Okay, there you go. There's another confirmation here. But yes, many people thinking, okay, you know what, it's gonna just touch this and come back, maybe, but there's no bank line. There you go. See, aggressive trader entered here after this big decline, and now there's no big bank line between these. It's gonna touch either one here. There's another trade, and there was another trade for conservative people that this is declined and entries here up to here or here. That's a scalping little bit. Touch the magenta one and a little bit is declined. Magenta has declined the market, coming down, right? Declined. That's a scalping. So declined, that's you can scalp by 10 ticks, 5 ticks, 7 ticks, whatever. Declined by the purple rolling bank line. Okay, that's done for the day almost. It's 1 o'clock. I don't trade after like 12 o'clock or so because it's a run. That's the only time to run a big move. And this is now declining by again and again from this purple, and it stayed there and came down to touch a green again. There you go. But still, bank lines are still working. Doesn't matter, it's a slow down. See how many declines has done by the purple, and still touch came down, touch green. And now maybe it's gonna decline by green or gonna come to where you go, one declined here. It's almost to closing time now, 2:10. That's it, dead market now, it's gone. Alright, so what is this trade has made me 15, 20 and 100, 113 ticks. 130, sorry, not 13, 30 ticks is equal to $1,300 with two contracts, sorry. And if we calculating with one contract, 130 ticks is 1,300. That's my day. As you can see, I've taken both trade. One was long, didn't hit my even first target, just hit my stop loss both, but give me 15 ticks profit, because I was expecting if it's across this, rejected this white line by market, then it's gonna shoot up, but didn't. Then I took short because it was confirmation, couldn't go up, couldn't even touch it, decline and second decline, and I took the trade and waiting stop loss here. Second stop loss moved to break even after hitting first target. Yes, there are big bank lines. It just took a little time to take those bank trades, and then declined just in 5 minutes from all these big bank lines to magenta is 10-15 minutes, and that's I got. Alright, so now I'm gonna put the disclaimer again, read it, and here's our contact. Okay, if you want to be a partner in our trading room, here's email, here's website. You email. There are a couple courses, but you're gonna learn how to trade bank lines, but we are not selling bank lines. You can only trade bank lines in our trading room. Right? Have a good day. Happy trading.